Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show you how to add a product, and I'm going to go over some very important things that you want to make sure you have checked when you're adding a product. So first of all, let's just jump into it. You can go to the product section here, just go to add new, and we're in the add new section of a product. So to start, this is easy. I'm just going to use a Blue Eyes White Dragon from Legend of Blue Eyes, just for this example. So product name, we're going to put like Blue Eyes White Dragon, and also in the title, a lot of customers like to see it. Put the card number in there, so I'm just going to put an LOB-001. This is the title of the product. This is the description. You don't have to fill it out, but you can. You can talk about the product here. You can leave it blank. We typically do. All-in-one SEO pack. Just ignore this. This auto-populates. You don't have to touch anything. Here, product data section. If it's like this, make sure you can expand it down. Anyways, go here, click this. General. You have your regular price and your sale price. So let's say $10 for regular price, sale price $9. One key thing to say is make sure if you're going to have a sale price that this sale price is cheaper than the regular price. Because if these two were reversed somehow, the system wouldn't know what to do with it if the regular price is cheaper than the sale price. So if you're going to have a sale price, make sure the sale price is cheaper than the regular price. You don't need to have a sale price. You can leave that blank, and you could just use regular price if you just want to have it simple. Tax status. It's up to you if you want to tax your customers. You can leave it at taxable, and the state that you're in. Right now, we have a few states set up. Go ahead and you can choose your state. If you don't see your state, let us know, and we'll go ahead and add your tax class for your state, and let us know your sales tax percentage, and we will add that for you so that your state will be in this drop-down menu. Card condition. You can go ahead and select your card condition. If you leave this blank and or don't select the value, it'll default to mint new. So you can go and select this mint new, near mint, lightly played, and even you can specify first edition if you'd like to. We don't allow anything of lesser quality than lightly played because we want to keep a quality standard on tradingcardmint.com. So if there's creases or dents or it's very damaged or very scratched, we don't want that on the website. So lightly played is the lowest grade that we allow on the site. So you can select your card condition here. So now inventory is the other tab that you're going to want to pay attention to here. The SKU, you have to enter in the SKU. This identifies the card. So LOB-001, we just use the card number. So for the SKU. But as a vendor, we ask that you also put after the SKU, after the card number, after the SKU, put a dash and then something that identifies your store. So for us, it would be like dash TCM, Trading Card Mint. You can put whatever it is that your store is, but just a couple letters or a few letters after the SKU, just that something that identifies your store, just so that the SKUs don't get mixed up and everything, and then the SKU is identified towards your card. Now, very, very, very important is manage stock. You always have to check this box and put it in a stock quantity. So let's say you have one card. You should not assume that if you just leave this blank and you just add one card, that the system thinks it's one card. That's not how it works. If you don't check this box and you don't put in the stock quantity, the system will think that you have an unlimited amount of these products and it will keep it in stock until you take it out of stock. So always go to manage stock, make sure it's checked, and put in the amount of cards that you have. So if you have one, put the stock quantity in here. Allow back orders, do not allow. Stock status in stock. Don't check this box. Same with max quantity per order. Everything else in here is on this section it's just ignore it. It won't really do anything. It's just some random sections that don't need to be filled out. Yeah, only general and inventory in this section are important, and make sure you have it filled out. Again, so let's see. Custom fields, just ignore this. Product short description, ignore that. It won't do anything. So what you want to do also is when you add a card, you want to add it to a category. So unfortunately, we don't have a search box here, but there's a nice little backdoor way of doing it, of searching for the category. So it's actually just hitting Control F if you're using a PC, Control F on here, and using the browser's natural search function to search through this list. So let's put it in the main category first. So Yu-Gi-Oh! Let's hit it again. Go ahead and select the master category, and then go to your little search box again, or hit Control F again, and let's type in Legend of, and then this appears. So this little backdoor way of using the browser search function makes it it pulls it up in this list and makes it easy. It's our little backdoor way of doing things. So once you have those selected, the categories, you're going to scroll down here to product image. You also see product gallery here. Ignore product gallery, only use product image, and go ahead and click set product image. So here, you can upload a picture of the card if you want, but we have a huge database of cards already, so you can go to Media Library up here, and you can use our pictures. So the easiest way is typing in the card number. So we're doing LOB-001, and if you search that, then you'll be able to pull up the card, and just simply select the picture, and away you go. You can also search for the card name as well. But if you type in obviously Blue Eyes White Dragon, there's dozens of them, so you'll see them all. But if you type in the card number, for most of the time you'll get the card that you want. Yeah, after that, that should be everything in here. Just wanted to make sure I covered the important things. Definitely like the inventory. That is very, very important to do. And your prices, and yep, just wanted to show you my little tricks on how to add a product to the store. Once you have this all set up, and just go ahead and click publish here, and your card will be live. I'm not going to because this is a demo, but go ahead and click publish, and your card will show up and be live. And then you can go back to your products section here of all products, and you will be able to see a new product that is listed. This is just a draft. I didn't save it. So, yeah, anyways, that is how you add a product.